Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing the search area and removing distractions. First, cut power to the TV and any speakers so you can hear the remote. Next, use your phone flashlight and sweep low-angle light across cushions and shelves. This reveals glossy surfaces. While you work, check usual charging spots and pockets. Make sure to crouch and look at eye level with furniture seams. Once done, gather anyone else in the home to split the room-by-room search. Now you use tools and signals to pinpoint the remote. If you have a Siri remote, open Bluetooth settings on your paired device and scan. A detected device confirms proximity. Press any button on the remote while listening for clicks or the TV reacting. Move slowly toward any sound. Additionally, mentally retrace where you used it last, room, couch side, or pocket, and inspect that path thoroughly. Make sure to check under cushions and inside nearby clothing. Finally, when you locate or suspect where the remote is, test it immediately by replacing the battery or repairing with your device so you know it works. Use a long stick wrapped in cloth to reach tight gaps before moving heavy furniture. If you still can't find it, enable Find My for compatible remotes or consider ordering a replacement remote or using your phone as a temporary remote. Troubleshooting tip. If the remote seems dead, always try fresh batteries before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.